It's like 9 degrees out today, and we're supposed to be getting 24 inches of snow tonight. So I'm going to do something that I have never done before. I'm going to try one of these windshield covers and see how it works. A friend of mine on the fire department uses one all the time, and he swears by it. I've never tried it. I've never really had the, I didn't think I was going to have the patience for it, but we're going to try it today and see how it works. All right, it's already snowing, so I'm probably a little bit behind the 8 ball, but I'm hoping that this will keep the ice from building up on the windshield. I mean, I know what you're thinking right now, and you're 100% correct. This is absolutely as fun as it looks. So this thing comes with a little carry case, but I just ripped it out of the package. And these little ears are supposed to go inside the door. And then there's a couple of straps that go down to the wheels. I don't know, let's figure this out. So far, so good. Well, I thought this thing had magnets in it to hold it down, but I don't see any here. This goes around the mirrors. This little antenna should be fine. I'll put this strap down here to the wheel. Should hold it down, and then we'll put this one around the mirror. Okay. All right, so pretty easy to put on. So one of two things is going to happen here. Either it's going to work great, and I'm going to have one of those I can't believe I lived without it moments, or with my luck, it'll probably freeze to the windshield and I won't be able to get it off. But we're going to get 22 inches of snow or so. Let's call it 18 to 20 inches. And should be exciting. These two don't seem to care. All they want to do is play with the Frisbee. So there it is, the final install. Got the strap on the wheel, the loop around the mirror, the ears are wedged into the door. And I have this antenna on my fender. That's the only thing that's causing a little bit of a hiccup, but I think it'll be okay. All right, I'm going to go in the house and hopefully not come back out till tomorrow morning. See how this works. All right. All right, here's the aftermath. Nothing says good morning like 1.5 feet of snow. All right, we just got to make our way out to the car. Yeah, about 1.5 feet or so. Make it out here to the car. It's 18 degrees out right now. Not bad. Our cover stayed on. That's good. I got to get a little snow off this thing before. Not even sure how to really take this off at this point. I feel like if I just pull it, it could be like pulling the tablecloth off the table. All right, I gotta set you up. I'm gonna set you guys right there. I don't have a mic on, so the audio is probably terrible, but I'm just gonna knock the snow off and then I'll pull the windshield cover off. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this side connected to the passenger side. I'm going to undo the driver's side and then try to pull it this way. Maybe I could pull it down across the hood, but my first attempt, I'm going to try it this way. I think that worked pretty good. Okay, no scraping the windshield. This antenna will straighten itself out. It's designed to do this. Nothing in the cowl. The wipers aren't froze. I mean, obviously we got 1.5 feet of snow, so I got to brush the car off, but man, for an ice storm, I think this thing's going to work out pretty good. Who knew? I don't know. First attempt at this seems to work out pretty decent. I mean, this is Angela's car with no cover on it. And I mean, there's really no ice buildup either. I'm not sure it was a deal breaker for today, but it worked good. And if you had some freezing rain or ice, it would definitely make a big difference. So I'm going to put a link in the description. If you want to check it out, go ahead and there'll be a link down there for you to click on. All right, now I got to get the tractor out and get snow blowing. I still got to go to work. God, I love winter.